absolutely pleasure to share this studio with you guys. Made it very easy for me. I want to thank Fox Studio. I want to thank America. I want to thank also all the other people you don't see. I don't remember all the names like yet. Everybody. But you made it easy for me. I hope America you enjoyed as much as I did.
How's it, Malvin? Salam, Strumps. Salams, brother. What we looking like today? Another day, another dollar. Are we gonna bank today? Yes, we're gonna bank today. What do you mean gold analysis? Do you even join the live streams, bro? Like, do you join? Like, do you actually follow my live streams? Because if you join my live streams, you know this is, and you can literally see it says here NYSE, NAS S&P 500. The title literally says the title literally says live NYSE live stream. Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500. Don't say gold. Gold, we don't do gold here. For NYC. Let's see how price reacts here. US30 on the other hand, I'm looking possible sell or buy from here. Now I'm having a crap on you. Like I'm just like I'm just asking how do you were here in the previous uh live streams, so I was like surprised. Last time I did gold. No. It was probably TikTok in the morning. NYSE I always do I do Nasdaq and US30. Salam Saber, how's it? Oh, CPI, that's CPI. Oh, that's a news event, bruh. This is NYSE, different. This is New York session. You're trading like a normal day. CPI is different. That's a news event. See, rejected over here. See, rejected, right? So now we see we can get an entry. And also, did we have some sort of, okay, we did have a liquidity sweep. Like, to take out this high, you can see market took out that high. Let's see now if we could reverse. Okay, it's looking like it's pumping again. Rice is here also. GG's. Rice. Okay. Alright, let's see now. Okay, so it is rejecting. You can see it's like sort of rejecting it. Let's see if we break above. Let's see. US30. So, there. Sure. Just pumping. Okay, we broke above now. So I would want to see some sort of fair value gap form if you're going to look for a buy. Targets, of course, will be, let's say, maybe a 15-minute unfold fair value gap. Just gotta be patient. Guys, like the live, please. Like the live. It's only 6 people like the live. Only 5 people actually, because I like the live as well. Guys, like the live while you're waiting for setup to form. US30, nothing as yet. So only 6 people like the live. Damn. Okay, now 25. Okay, I see 25 now. Right, we're coming down. So I want to see a closure below here. Then I will look to short. Right, closure below here. I'll put a stop loss there. Targets. There. Right, closure below here, we sell. Closure below there and we sell gold. Oh, sorry, we sell Nasdaq. See, we just rejected there. So we don't take it's Nasdaq we're looking at. It's just rejecting. Okay, so we can see we just rejected here. Can close here. We sell. No entry, no confirmation, no entry. So we're not gonna take it. We wait, we wait, we wait. Very important that we wait. It rejected already twice. Let's see now. Sure, let's pushing back up now. Is it rejecting? It's playing around now. But there's a 15-minute as well, and there's a 1 minute, a 1 hour fair value gap here. So it's still playing around. If you look at the 15 minutes, on the 15 minute, you'll see we're still in this fair value gap here. Yeah, so this is your fair value gap. It's basically retracting from it. Okay. How's US30 doing? If there was an IFEG, yeah, I would have actually taken a buy. Yeah, but flip. There's no IFEG here. Still here. US30, no, nothing on US30. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna buy. If this candle closes here, I'm gonna actually buy. Okay, I'll wait for this candle to close and then I'm gonna buy. Alright. I'm actually buy, yeah. So we'll take our entry of this candle here. Wait for this candle to close. I think it should close above. It's not the best entries. Entry stop loss is there. TP we're gonna target. Let's see. I think there is LRL. Okay, so we can enter Nasdaq buys. Right, we can enter Nasdaq buys. Preferably, of course, I would I would have preferred the entry a bit lower, of course, but if you can get an entry here and we can close that one, break even will be good. Will be good. So yeah, we buy Nasdaq. Okay, slide put a profits. Right, so entry is just like yeah. Okay, entry is slightly yeah there. Okay. Stop loss just below this fair value gap. Yeah, I did not want to actually. This is a shit stop loss. Right. Oh yeah, yeah. So there we're in profits, guys. We shouldn't be in profits. Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna change. What am I doing? Flip. Should go all the way on the left hand side. Yeah. Come on, load. Right, here's your TPs here. Guys, you should be in profits. You should be in profits now. There's a lot of LRL. Yeah, no, this should cook. I do believe this should cook. See, we got all this liquidity here, basically. I think this should cook, I'm sure. The post. No, we just rejected. Okay, there we go again. We employ the profit again. Right. Now we wait. It's about 600 pip stop loss, basically. What the hell? Why is this thing going? Let's see now this plays out. Come on. I'm in drawdown. I can see. I'll actually adjust my stop loss there because this is still, I would say this is still a valid sell. If we do have to hit stop loss, that's a sell that we should take. If it does hit stop loss, of course. Okay, this does look like it's gonna fail. So we got the setup that's ready here. You just gotta wait for candle closure below and you take a sell. Most likely we're gonna hit stop loss. So if you wanna close now, you can. If you wanna see by chance this thing might end up reversing, whatever, you can hold. But let's just see. I would prefer to wait and see how it reacts here. Okay, come on, let's see. So I wanna see a candle closure below. Okay, so just took out my stop loss on HFM. I took out my stop loss. Yeah. I'm in cells now. I'm gonna enter cells. I'm gonna take a sell here, guys. So I just wait and see here. Just wait and see this candle here. What this is. Wanted to close a little bit below here, then I'll sell. Okay, I'm into sales now. Okay, so we just took a loss there, about 500 or 600 pips. I want to see this candle. What's it doing? Let's see. I need to stay here. There we go. Okay, enter now, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys didn't full pot that previous trade. Otherwise, you cooked. You would be cooked there. So yeah, there we go. So we're dropping now in profits. Again, you can see this is the reason why I wasn't too, uh, you know, convinced on the sells, right? As we had all these fair value gaps here, basically. And the reason why I was actually looking at buys was we had all of these low resistance liquidity all over here. You can see these are low resistance liquidity basically. So that was my reason for taking the buy there. But it's fine. We will recover, I'm sure. So you should be in profit. I'm up about 1,300 Rand profit. Now it's dropping. You should be in deep profits, guys. Should be in deep profits. We also got low resistance liquidity all year as well. So we could say you could target this low here. Okay, you can go break even now if you want and bank some profit. I'm up about 3,000 Rand, as you can see. My loss was 1,800. I lost 1,800. So if I want to take some profit now, I can try and recover my loss. Okay, so I need this gap here now to inverse. Oh my days, there we go. There we go. You should be cooking, guys. I'm at 5K. I'm up fucking 5K, guys. Let's go. Okay, 5K, guys. We up. How many pips profit is this? It's about 800 pips profit, so it should be recovered. Should be recovered, surely. Surely should be recovered. Guys, bank some profit as well. Over 800 pips profit, basically. Possible reversal point, of course. This is the 930 open was here. This was where we opened from, right? The New York Stock Exchange open. So I want to see, of course, a closure below this area right here. Let's see. Guys, you should be in profits. Let me see. What price is my TP? Put your TP at this low right here. It's about 1,400. It's I got a 2 lots on a 16,000 Rand account. I got 2 lots. Yeah, you must sell. Okay, it's rejecting here, guys. I would recommend you take some profit, guys. I would recommend you take some profit. Look at that. Lovely stuff, right? So I'm gonna close one position. I'll close one position and I'll leave the other position open. And I'll put stop loss at break even, guys. Right, so I want to see all this liquidity gets swept here. See all these lows. I want to see these lows get swept. That's what I'm looking for now. But it seems like we're just rejecting off this week, yeah. Take some profit, guys. Make sure you're taking some profit. Okay, so let's see if we come back here. We did inverse this gap here, so let's just mark this gap here. All right. Come on, drop. Tasty. Yeah, it needs to drop now. Is this rejecting off this wick? This was the 9:30 open. We need to break past it. Could say also there's an order block here as well. How's US30 doing? US30 dumped as well, yeah. Hey, come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Banks, make sure you bank in profits, guys. Make sure you are taking profits. We should be we almost a full TP. I should just wait it for myself. I don't know why I decided buys. I'm thinking like flip. There was low resistance liquidity that got targeted here, but there was also low resistance liquidity here. So it was a bit of a like a upside. I was a bit quarter in two minds. We had all of these. See, this is what basically what I was looking at. So market failed to basically what that is we market failed to go higher, and yeah, of course, market failed to go down. All these lows, market failed to go down. So we're looking here nicely. It should be in about 1,000 pips profit. Yeah, 1,000 pips profit should be in. Yeah, it should. I'm expecting it to go down. It should take out all these lows. Should take it down. Come on. Yeah, I can't win them all. We can't win them all, but it happens. You should be. I mean, you guys should have made profit. You should have made a lot of profit. Yeah, you should have recovered. Plus, you should have made profit. If you didn't recover and you didn't make profit, then you risk too much for your first trade, or you didn't even take the second trade because you probably risked too much in the first trade. But yeah, I'm up about 3,800 rand. I mean, on just one position, I managed to make about 2,000 rand profit. I'm talking if I made 1,800 rand loss, and this position is up about 3,900 rand. So you guys can do the maths. And I closed one position at 1,900 profit. So recovery was made plus another 3,600 profit. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's still sweeping out these lows. So these are basically like my TPs, I guess. Could say these are my TPs. Come on, flush. Flush the way down. Flush all the way down. There we go. Hold your runners, guys. Make sure you're holding runners. So full TP smash, guys. 1,400 pips. 1,400 pips, guys. Smashed. We did it there. We took a loss, but we recovered fully. No one can tell me they didn't recover. They didn't manage to recover because the recovery was sent. Straight up recovery. Recovery was sent same time. Fully, basically played out fully. And we actually reversed it from here. Yeah, so we had those 5 minutes. Yeah. That was basically what I saw on MT5, yeah. So that was basically it there. I shall wait for the 5 minute though. Yo. Okay, it's calm. We also have we could potentially even go further down. Yeah. So, like I said, hold a runner, small runner. Most of your profit should be banked, of course. Most of your profit should be banked, but in the case that we do decide to, of course, go down lower, there's your entry there. Right, guys, I'm gonna end the live here. Shukar, we made profit. We took a loss, but we made a lot. We recovered at the same time. Shukar, Alhamdulillah. Yeah. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Right, salams, guys. Oh yes, and I will be posting posting the breakdown. I will also post on the breakdown for this win and as well as the loss that I took. I will be posting that. So keep an eye on that on TikTok. I'll try and post it out, guys. So yeah, salams, guys.